Confidence is an essential trait that can significantly impact a woman's life. It enables you to take risks, pursue your goals, and handle challenges with ease. However, confidence doesn't come naturally to everyone. Some women may struggle with self-doubt, insecurity, and a lack of self-worth. Fortunately, confidence is a skill that you can develop and cultivate with time and practice. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to build real confidence, improve your self-worth, and exude magnetic confidence. Number 1. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. To build real confidence, you need to know your strengths and weaknesses. Knowing what you are good at can help you focus on your strengths and build on them. On the other hand, identify your weaknesses can help you address them and work on improving them. Knowing yourself is the first step towards building confidence. Here are some tips for identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Take a personality test. There are various personality tests available online that can help you understand your strengths and weaknesses. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator and the Strengths Finder Assessment are popular options. Ask for feedback. Ask your friends, family, or co-workers for honest feedback about your strengths and weaknesses. Their input can help you gain a different perspective on yourself. Keep a journal. Write down your accomplishments and areas where you struggle. Reflect on your experiences and identify patterns. Number 2. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you build confidence as you achieve them. When setting goals, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here are some tips for setting realistic goals. Start small. Start with small goals that are easy to achieve. As you accomplish them, you'll gain the confidence to tackle bigger goals. Break down big goals. If you have a big goal, break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make it less daunting and easier to achieve. Celebrate your successes. When you achieve a goal, celebrate it. Acknowledge your hard work and effort. Number 3. Embrace your imperfections. No one is perfect, and that's okay. Embrace your imperfections and don't let them define you. Accept that you are not perfect and focus on your strengths. Celebrate your successes and learn from your mistakes. Here are some tips for embracing your imperfections. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Don't beat yourself up over mistakes or imperfections. Change your mindset. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you have. Change your mindset to a positive one. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others is a recipe for self-doubt and insecurity. Everyone has their strengths and weaknesses. Number 4. Practice self-care. Self-care is crucial in building self-worth and confidence. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, exercise regularly, and take time for yourself. Practicing self-care can help you feel good about yourself and boost your confidence. Here are some tips for practicing self-care. Prioritize your needs. Make self-care a priority. Don't neglect your needs for the sake of others. Create a routine. Develop a self-care routine that works for you. This could include exercise, meditations, reading, or any activities that you enjoy. Take breaks. Take breaks when you need them. Listen to your body and rest when you are tired. Number 5. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. Avoid people who bring you down or make you feel bad about yourself. Being around positive people can help you feel good about yourself and boost your confidence. Here are some tips for surrounding yourself with positive people. Choose your friends wisely. Choose friends who uplift you and support you. Avoid friends who bring you down or discourage you. Join a community. Join a community of like-minded individuals who share your interests and values. Seek out mentors. Find mentors who can guide you and provide you with valuable insights. Number 6. Learn new skills. Learning new skills can help you build confidence and improve your self-worth. It can also help you discover new passions and interests. Here are some tips for learning new skills. Choose something you're interested in. Choose a skill that you're interested in learning. This will make it easier to stay motivated. Take a class. Take a class or workshop to learn the skill. This can be a great way to meet new people and learn from an expert. Practice regularly. Practice the skill regularly. This will help you improve and build your confidence. Number 7. Face your fears. Facing your fears can be scary, but it can also be empowering. When you face your fears, you prove to yourself that you are capable of handling challenging situations. Here are some tips for facing your fears. Start small. Start with something small that scares you. As you face your fears, you'll gain the confidence to tackle bigger challenges. Break it down. Break the fear down into smaller steps. This will make it more manageable. Focus on the outcome. Focus on the positive outcome of facing your fear. What will you gain from it? How will it help you grow? Number 8. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself can have a big impact on your confidence and self-worth. Practice positive self-talk by focusing on your strengths and accomplishments. Here are some tips for practicing positive self-talk. Identify negative self-talk patterns and challenge them. For example, if you tell yourself you are not good enough, challenge that thought by reminding yourself of your accomplishments. Focus on your strengths. Focus on your strengths and what you are good at. Remind yourself of your skills and accomplishments. Use affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce positive self-talk. Repeat phrases like "I'm capable" or "I'm worthy" to yourself regularly. Number 9. Dress for success. The way you present yourself can also impact your confidence. Dressing well can help you feel good about yourself and boost your confidence. Here are some tips for dressing for success. Dress for the occasion. Dress appropriately for the occasion. This will help you feel confident and comfortable in your environment. Wear something you feel good in. Wear something that makes you feel good about yourself. This could be your favorite outfit or something that fits you well. Pay attention to details. Pay attention to details like grooming and accessories. These small details can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Number 10. Take action. Finally, to build real confidence, you need to take action. It's not enough to just think about building confidence. You need to take steps to make it happen. Here are some tips for taking action. Start small. Start with small actions that can help you build confidence. For example, speaking up in a meeting or trying a new activity. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building confidence. Make a plan and stick to it. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate your progress along the way. Acknowledge your hard work and effort. In conclusion, building real confidence, improving self-worth, and exuding magnetic confidence requires a combination of different strategies and actions. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you can build with practice and effort.